Hello, welcome to another Design and Flow video. I'm Val, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a page in Elementor for your WordPress website. Let's get to it. Alright, so once you've logged into your WordPress website backend, you'll be on your dashboard and it'll look something like this. You will head to the left-hand side and go to this tab that says Pages. Go ahead and click that button and it'll bring you to something that looks like this. These are all the different web pages that exist within your website. So depending on which specific one you're wanting to edit, for example this About page, I will hover on it and go to this section right here that says Edit with Elementor. I will then right click and click Open Link in New Tab. Then I will head up to the browser and open the new link, give it a second to load. And now I'm in the back end of the page within Elementor. So here is where I will be able to edit all of the different aspects of the page, such as copy, images, and icons. I hope that you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.